Huh? Bless you, bless you. Bless you. What do you want to do today, buddy? Huh? What do you want to do? Huh? You go dance? You go exercise? Go socialize? Huh? Probably want to go and hang out with the crew, don't you?
Yeah.
Someone's tired, but they don't want to sleep. Who am I talking about? Who could I be talking about? That would be you. You've been up for hours, but you're tired. Gonna try to go to bed for a while, huh? You just ate tons. Tons! Got a clean diaper, got a good story. You just want to hang out with mommy and daddy? Huh? Is that what it is? Huh? Oh boy. What's these little noises you're making, squirrel? Huh? You telling us new things? Is there any new way to talk to us? Huh? Huh? What are you telling me? You don't know? I love you, buddy. Hey, buddy. How was that? Are you enjoying this?
Great.
Oh, yeah. Much better than when you first had a bath, huh? You like this a lot?
Much better.
Is this frog eating someone?
Oh, yes.
What's our...
Comfy.
Before you start crying and having a total meltdown, what's the noise you make? What kind of cry does it go? How does it go? Mom, how does it go?
I forget.
I'm Leo. I'm Leo. I'm Leo.
That sounds like a frog noise.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we just got a bath,
Yeah.
so he's all clean, and Daddy's lubing him up with some moisturizer and giving him a massage.
Yeah. He's had a rough day. A lot of tension in the financial sector. So we're giving him a nice deep tissue massage, huh? Huh, buddy?
Oh yeah. Does that feel good, Noah?
He seems to like it. Seems to like it, huh, buddy?
You like that, Noah? Huh? Is that feeling good? Yeah.
There you go, look. Remember in the Hangover?
Don't do that to him. Not funny, Daddy.
Muscle Man. Do the Muscle Man. He was doing the Muscle Man earlier by himself. Let's play.
And then Dad comes over and like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes later, and he's like, you don't have the filter in there? And I was like, what? Mom didn't put the filter in. Coffee grind is right into the coffee maker.
Alright, hold on, what's that? What do we need to fix here, buddy? What about this one? You like this one, don't you? I know you like this one. You like that one? Oh, you don't like that one right now. You gonna do something different? Is it Noah Wan Kenobi? Use the Force, Noah. Is it Noah Wan Kenobi, or is it Frogman! Woo! Frogman! Yay! You know what, you try to sleep a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and get you, okay, buddy? Okay? Is that a deal? Is that what you're saying? Is that a deal? You just don't want to sleep today, do you? Well, see. See if you can do it. I'm gonna miss you when I'm gone. Hope you remember when I come back. You think you will? Think you remember me? We love you. Okay, go to sleep, go to sleep.